we're just going to do the basic rundown of the usage of the tractor. We're here at the Park Avenue tractor shed, and I'm just going to demonstrate a few things about our club tractor. Alright, so we just unlock the padlock and open the doors. See, we've got two lockable bolts either side. This one here will lock the door so it can't come back swinging in the wind. This is the flag we put out so that people know that the tractor's out on the beach. Everyone knows when the tractor's out, we put this behind the post. I'm just going to show you some basic stuff about starting and stopping the tractor, as well as dropping the drawbar. So the ignition switch is here, and we lock it with a padlock. Unlock the padlock and exposes the key. So before we start it up, make sure it's in neutral. Swing it around this. Here is the high and low ratio. This lever does not need to be used. We only use the gear stick. So foot on the clutch, it's in neutral, turn the key. So kill the motor, you pull on this lever. That's the kill switch. It must be in for you to start the tractor. Here is the kill switch. Pull it out to kill the motor. It must be in for you to start the tractor. So in order to launch your boat, we want the drawbar down at all times. Basically, pull out the cotter pin, split pin, pull the pin out, hold onto the bar and pull down the drawbar and replace the pin. Remember, this must be down for all launching, no matter how flat it is. So we're at the back of the surf club, and we've got a tap here which we're going to wash down the tractor. We've finished using it for the day. We're the last ones back on the beach. Before we take it back to the shed, we want to give it a good wash down, and we use the hose provided. Male connector here. Please remember to take it off the tap when you're finished. Now there's a little lock on the latch here, just slide that up and then open the valve. Make sure you get all the tractor, especially around all the sand off. Give it a good wash down, especially around the bearing areas and inside the tyres. Okay, so we've had 3 of these go missing last season, so please remember to take it off the tap and put it back on the hose. You do not need to check the fuel. We look after that. Just in the summertime, please make sure you have a look at the radiator. Just take the cap off and fill it up with water as needs be. It's going to lock the tractor away, shut the doors and take the flag down. Please make sure when you're the last in, take the flag down so that everybody else knows that the tractor is safely back in its shed. Shed's all locked up, tractor's away. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.